Hello and welcome to our next lecture and video from this course on how to create graphic designs using Crello, a free online cloud-based app. Now, what's different about Crello than other online apps like Canva or Designer or other similar ones is the fact that you can also use and create animated posts. Okay, this can be very useful and very interactive, especially if you run a business in which you need to use this type of posts for social media environment and networks like Facebook, Instagram or other places, but especially Facebook. Now let me show you briefly how you can create an animated design, how easy it is to customize it, and how you can use it then for your business. It's actually very easy and it's very helpful. Now, what do you have to do is just log into the main dashboard. So basically you have to sign into Crello, and you will see that one of the options that you will have through the featured formats is to create a design animated post. And we will click on the create a design animated post option. And we wait for a couple of moments. It will load the editor. The templates are on the left side. And if you just go over with the cursor of your mouse over the animated templates, you will see the actual animation. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Look how beautiful these animations look like. Okay, and you just have to select one of them. Got it? Okay, so we have these animations here. Or let's try this one, Black Friday sale, Black Friday. Okay, the entire store, it's preparing the animation for us. You will have this small watermark here, but I don't think that's something that will bother you. And what we can do right now is edit the elements, right? For example, we can edit the background, we can edit the text if we want to. Okay, we can add different things to the text. As you know already, we can edit absolutely any element. We can insert new elements. And when we want to see the actual animation and how the post will look like, we just press the play button. Okay, this is how it will look like. Okay, very simple, very simple. Now, another thing that we can do is to insert animations. Okay, we have different types of animations. Most of them are the pro version, but we also have normal animations like, let me see if we can find anything. Okay, like the backgrounds. Okay, you just have to scroll down and look for the free ones. So this is how an animated post look like. Now, if you want to download the animated posts, what you have to do is press on the download button. It's saving the animation right now. So bear with me for a couple of seconds. It's saved. And you will see that you have a progress bar here. Preparing your design may take 1 or 5 minutes. And basically the design will be saved in MP4 format. So it will be a video. It will be automatically downloaded on your computer. And then you can upload it to social media or on whatever platform or in whatever way you want to use it. So it's pretty simple. You just choose a template, you edit the elements. As you have seen, you customize it with your own text, with your e-cover or other things like that. I will cancel this one because I want to show you an example of what I've created. So let's go to my projects here. And if you go to animated designs, you can have a look at this one. Edit design, and I will just play it for you guys to see. Preparing, and let's play it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, this is an animation that I've created for one of the product launches that we have. Okay, this is how it works. Very simple. Now, I definitely recommend to you to use this tool, the animated post tool, because you can actually create very beautiful and powerful animated posts, and you can use them on social media to engage your audience even better than you did it before. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next video.